Episode 3. The Forbidden Vaults. Beneath the Vatican lies a second world, a place where sunlight has never reached, and where the most sensitive chapters of church history were sealed away for centuries. These are the subterranean vaults, a network built, rebuilt, and expanded from the Middle Ages through the Renaissance. Not all rooms are catalogued, not all entrances are public, and for generations, only a handful of men knew what truly lay behind each door. In an age when kingdoms rose and fell by rumor, information was more dangerous than any weapon. The church collected everything: confessions of nobles, evidence of heresy, records of corruption, and secrets that could topple dynasties. Some documents protected the innocent, others protected the guilty. All were placed underground, far from the eyes of enemies and the public. One of the most sought-after vault collections is the Templar dossier transcripts and confessions taken, under torture during the destruction of the Knights Templar. For centuries, these documents were hidden so completely that historians believed they were destroyed. But they weren't. They slept here, behind stone and silence. Another vault houses the Inquisition archives, testimonies from witch trials, forced confessions of scientists, and accounts of those who challenged church authority. These pages reveal not only the brutality of the era, but also the moral conflicts inside the church itself. This is history the Vatican once hoped would fade. Beyond the official vaults lies something more mysterious: unmarked rooms known only as the crypta. No catalog, no index, only restricted keys, and the knowledge passed quietly from one archivist to another. What's inside? Reports of clergy scandals from medieval Europe, internal investigations, and documents containing allegations the church could not allow into public view. Some of the most heavily controlled vaults hold files from World War II correspondence with the Axis powers, rescue operations for Jewish families, and the debates inside the Vatican about how loudly or quietly the church should oppose Hitler. These documents remain restricted not because of mystery, but because of controversy. Not everything survived. Fires, floods, and political purges erased entire chapters. Other files were removed, deliberately transferred to unknown locations, or destroyed without record. For every document revealed, another disappears into legend. Why do these vaults remain sealed? Because history is dangerous, because power fears transparency, and because the past can shake the faith of millions in the present. The Vatican guards these chambers not to hide miracles, but to hide the failures, fears, and political calculations of human beings in power. In the next episode, we leave the vaults behind and follow the trail of scandals that shaped the Vatican's legacy, from medieval shadows to modern headlines. Coming soon. Episode 4. Scandals of the Ages. History, Power, Truth.